Hello, students. As in our present situation, your parents might have given you some household work, isn't it? For example, your mother may ask you to dissolve sugar in water to make a cold drink. Making a sugar solution is a change. Similarly, setting curd from milk is a change. Sometimes milk becomes sour. Souring of milk is a change. Stretched rubber band also represents a change. Every day you come across many changes in our surroundings. In this chapter, we shall study the nature of these changes. Broadly, these changes are of two kinds: physical and chemical. For example, water changes its state from solid to liquid or from gas to liquid while heating. Similarly, from liquid to solid while cooling. And also, for example, the axa blade changes color on heating. Properties such as shape, size, color, and state of a substance are called its physical properties. A change in which a substance undergoes a change in its physical properties is called a physical change. A physical change is generally reversible. In such a change, no new substance is formed. Dear students, take some ice in a glass or plastic tumbler. Melt a small portion of ice by placing the tumbler in the sun. You have now a mixture of ice and water, isn't it? Now place the tumbler in a freezing mixture. Does the water become solid ice once again? Similarly, boil some water in a container. Do you see the steam rising from the surface of water? Hold an inverted pan by its handle over the steam at some distance from the boiling water. Observe the inner surface of the pan. Do you see any droplet of water there? Yes. Again, I can give another example. Hold a used axa blade with a pair of tongues. Keep the tip of the free end of the blade on the gas stove. Wait for a few minutes. Does the color of the tip of the blade change? Yes, it changes its color. Remove the blade from the flame. Observe the tip once again after some time. Does it get back its original color? That is, water changes its state from solid to liquid or from gas to liquid while heating, from liquid to solid while cooling, as well as the hacksaw blade changes its color on heating. My dear students, we might have studied that salt can be obtained by the evaporation of seawater in our previous class. The salt obtained in this manner is not pure, and the shape of its crystals cannot be seen clearly. However, large crystals of pure substances can be formed from their solutions. The process is called crystallization. It is an example of a physical change. So, my dear students, in this class, we have studied about physical properties of substances and a physical change. So, in next class, we shall meet and study about the chemical change, chemical properties of substances. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you. Bye.